In these problems, we're looking at the set of integers from 1 through 999. And in the first question, we want to find out how many of those do not have any repeated digits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break them into three groups. And the first group is one-digit numbers. Now my one-digit numbers are the numbers from 1 through 9, and so there are 9 of those. And then we look at two-digit numbers. So these are the numbers from 10 through 99. And I need to find the ones that do not have any repeated digits. We didn't have to worry about that with one-digit numbers, because how are you going to repeat if there's only one digit? So now I don't want to just say how many two-digit numbers are there from 10 through 99. We know that that would be 99 minus 10 plus 1, and that gives us 90. But we need to remove some of those. We need to remove 11, 22, 33, and so on up through 99. So there are 9 of those. Let's take out those 9, and that leaves us with 81 two-digit numbers with no repeated digits. Then we have three-digit numbers. So here, what I'm going to do is approach this a little differently. I have a first digit, a second digit, and a third digit. The first digit, because we're working with the numbers from 100 through 999, we know that the first digit has to be something from 1 through 9. So there's 9 possibilities there. Then the next digit can be anything from 0 through 9, but I have to eliminate whatever it was that I used in the first instance. So I need to eliminate one number from that group. So we had 10 digits, we're taking 1 away, so now we're down to 9. And then the third digit can be 0 through 9, but we need to take away whatever we used for the first digit and whatever we used for the second digit. So that's 10 digits minus 2, and that gives me 8. And I multiply using the multiplication rule. So 9 times 9 times 8 gives me 648. And so that's how many three-digit numbers there are. So now I'm going to take the results of those, 9, 81, and 648, and add those together. And I get 738. So that's my answer for this part. Now, when I look at the next question, we've got how many integers from 1 through 999 have at least one repeated digit. So that's the exact opposite of not having any. So what I'll do is I'll take the 999 integers, because 1 through 999, that's how many integers there are, and take away the 738 that we just calculated. And that leaves me with 261. So that's my answer for this. How many have at least one repeated digit? 261 of them. Now in part 3, it says, what is the probability that an integer chosen at random from 1 through 999 has at least one repeated digit? So I'll take that 261 that we just computed and divide it by 999. And when I put this in lowest terms, I get 29 over 111. And that's lowest terms, can't simplify that any further. So that would be my final answer as a fraction. And you could put that in decimal format, but it's going to be a repeating decimal. And that's the end of that problem.